Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about CSS, and this is officially the first video in the CSS series. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, and it is basically how an HTML document is styled and designed. It basically tells you how an HTML elements will be shown on your web page. If we scroll down for a second and where is it? Over here and over here. This is basically this is the styling. This is basically CSS, the color and background. And using the style attribute, this type of CSS, this type is one second. Inside the background color or font size, whatever, if it is written inside a tag, like for example, see it's written inside the h1 tag. So this is what is called an inline styling method. Is this inside a tag? Okay. This font color and the font size and this background color and the font size is changed because of the inline styling method. I'll also show you one called the external styling method. But first, for that, we need to link. Actually, no. First, we need to create a file called style.css. It doesn't really matter what you write inside, what you name it, but it must have .css. It's same as for this index.html. Doesn't matter if you change the index, but .html needs to be there. But mostly index.html and style.css are used. So external is basically if you write div, okay, and then curly brackets, and inside it if we write okay, then let's link these two pages, these two files. We should do this. This is a part of metadata, and this will come in the head. How you do it is you write link dot colon CSS, and then here href style.css, and the ref relation is style sheet. Now that this is linked, let's go back over here. Let's write div curly brackets. It does not need to be a tag, and we should write background color, and let's do like blue violet. That doesn't really make a difference because we didn't write anything. So that doesn't make a difference. It will make a difference, however, if we make a div inside the body. Let's write div, for example. And now, did you see how it turned blue violet for 1 second? And let's write this is a div. No. And inside this we can write the back. No. Oops. This is a div, and look, the background color has been changed to blue violet. Let's just change this to, if I use to color, then it's light, but it's a little light, but you can see how it's changed colors. Now this is the external one, making a div inside a body in the HTML file, and then writing div curly brackets and what you want to style in the CSS file. Then we're going to be doing something called an internal styling method. For this, you're going to have to delete the style.css one. We'll create a style tag. Inside it, we will be writing what we wrote in the style.css one. Div curly bracket, and inside it we'll be writing we'll be doing the color blue violet. So now it's turned blue violet because of this. Create a new folder and let's name it CSS. And if you create a file inside that folder, it's this. Wait, I'm not inside this. Just 1 second. Delete. Okay. If we let's create a new folder over here. New folder CSS. Wait, no. Let's open this with code. It's also open. Let's open this. And so let's open recent HTML. Let's make a folder and let's name it CSS, and inside the folder let's make a file and name it style.css. Okay, let's go back to the index of HTML. Inside the href, let's do ./CSS style.css. And this is how you link using a folder. The problem in making a folder like this is that it doesn't really show on the desktop. But if you want a shortcut to open it, But so if you just open the HTML folder from the desktop, it will automatically open the CSS. But because the folder is created inside this folder, the HTML folder. Okay, so we learned about the inline styling method, the external styling method, and the internal styling method. The inline was when the inline was this one, the color one. Because it's made inside the h1 tag. The the external is the one in the style.css, in which we wrote div, curly brackets, and all that, but we don't. Let's just no. And this is the internal one, the one made in the head using the style tag. Then we also learned how to link, and that is all we're going to be learning today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.